All right, next one up, Mr. Sultan Taskin. This is a lovely lady up in Delaware, and she is a builder. Is Sultan on the call? I don't even see.
Yes, I
Okay,
am.
Sultan,
I'm
there you are,
here.
Sultan.
I'm
Show
out
your
of
camera.
training.
Yeah,
Yes. Uh,
Sultan's a
uh,
lovely lady.
there
Come
you
on,
go.
Sultan.
How are you?
We cannot see you. It's too dark out there.
I'm in a car.
Okay, that's fine.
I apologize. Can you see me now?
No, it's we only see a shadow, but it's okay. It's okay. That's
I
fine.
apologize.
Yep,
Yeah.
no worries.
I okay. Hello everyone. Um, Good evening. Um, I want to say thank you to Alan and Georges for everything they have done for me. That's I can't express how many times they helped me and my clients. Thank you. My name is Sultan Taskin, and I am the owner, woman-owned uh, Community Developer Solutions. I am a developer, contractor, and an investor. I am a new company, however, my work is top notch. um, Now, working with a lot of these investors, developers, and contractors in our community here, a lot of the people had very difficult time finding resources to help them uh, do different kind of, let's say, investment properties or refinancing. So when they're facing these, I recommended, you know, Sequoia, and these clients were not only were they comfortable, confident with Sequoia, they got top notch from beginning to the end support from Alan and George's and myself. Um, I I apologize. It's people are driving and walking in front of me. They're kind of doing stuff. I'm sorry. Um, anyway, the journey with Sequoia, I joined because not only did we have difficult funding uh, challenges, um, they were able to close on these deals. And I appreciate everything they have done for me and my clients. And a lot of these people are always look, it's difficult to find properties these days because I'm in the industry. They're always contacting me and saying that they're going to use Sequoia because everything they have experienced from the beginning to the end was superb. And I want to appreciate and I want to thank Alan and Georges for everything you have done. And Alan and Georges are always available when you call them. Thank you for that as well.
Okay, wow. Thank you so much, Sultan. Love to see you again. We are actually planning another
Yes.
trip up to Delaware. So
Woohoo!
love to see you again, okay, up there. So again,
Yes,
if you're
yes, I'm
driving,
gonna yes, I'm going to do some kind of events coming up soon.
yeah,
So I will put my information here. And I also wanted to address that a lot of people, if they need any contractors or developers or anything like that, I will be glad to help you out. Thank you.
absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Sultan, and make sure you drive safe. We will see you soon.